Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's way more exciting than you'd expect: washing machines. Yeah, you heard me right. If you think all washers are the same, think again. Because in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 most advanced, most loved, and most recent washing machines available in the US market this year. Whether you're a parent juggling laundry for the whole family, someone with pets and mountains of fur-covered clothes, or you just want to make sure your whites stay white and your colors don't fade, I've got you covered. We're counting down from number 5 all the way to number 1, and trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for the top pick because it's on another level. Number 5, GE Profile PTW900BPTRS. We're kicking things off with a serious contender. The GE Profile PTW900BPTRS. If you've been waiting for a washing machine that blends powerful performance with modern smart features, this one's worth a closer look. Let's start with capacity. At 5.4 cubic feet, this washer can handle larger loads, meaning fewer trips to the laundry room and more time saved. It's ideal for families, athletes, or anyone doing lots of laundry on the regular. The design is just as impressive. The glass control panel is fully electronic and ultra-responsive. The dark stainless steel finish gives it a sleek, professional look that fits in any modern laundry space. It even has a soft close lid, a small touch that makes a big difference. But where this washer really shines is with its tech. It includes built-in Wi-Fi and supports voice control with Amazon Alexa. You can start a wash cycle, check progress, or receive alerts all with your voice or smartphone. It's not just about convenience. It's about making laundry less of a chore. Then there's Smart Dispense. This feature lets you load enough detergent and softener for up to 32 washes. The washer will automatically measure and dispense just the right amount, so you save on product and get optimal cleaning. It's one of those features you didn't know you needed until you've used it. There's also a built-in faucet and pre-treat station, allowing you to tackle tough stains right in the machine. The power pre-wash setting handles mud, grease, and grass like a champ. And if you're sensitive to allergens or just like extra cleanliness, the built-in steam function helps eliminate bacteria and allergens with ease. It doesn't stop there. GE incorporated microban antimicrobial technology into parts of the washer, helping prevent the buildup of mold and mildew. That means no more musty odors or worrying about leaving the lid open to air it out. However, while all of these features are great, the machine isn't perfect. The smart features, while convenient, can feel a bit much if you're someone who prefers traditional dials and buttons. And although the washer is relatively quiet, some users have noted that it vibrates a little more during high-speed spins. All in all, though, the GE Profile PTW900BPTRS is a powerful, thoughtfully designed washer that's built for the modern household. If you're looking for a machine that balances size, power, and smart features without going full-on futuristic, this is a solid place to start. Number 4, Whirlpool WTW8127LC. Now this one is built for flexibility. The Whirlpool WTW8127LC is a feature-rich top loader that gives you options. What really stands out about this washer is its removable agitator. That's right, you can actually take it out depending on what kind of load you're doing. Need to wash bulky comforters or delicate fabrics? Remove the agitator for more space and gentler movement. Got a load of dirty work clothes that need a good scrub? Pop the agitator back in and let it work its magic. This level of control is rare and incredibly useful. Capacity-wise, you're looking at 5.2 QFT, which is still more than enough for large loads. It includes a built-in faucet and pre-treat brush, giving you an all-in-one space to handle tough stains right in the drum. Plus, it has a convenient load go dispenser that stores enough detergent for multiple cycles, just like the GE Profile. Performance is excellent. The wash cycles are highly customizable, and the spin cycle does a great job getting clothes dry. It's not the quietest washer on the market, but it's not disruptive either, just a soft hum and whir while it works. Another cool feature? This washer connects with Whirlpool's app and even works with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can check cycle status, start or stop washes, and get maintenance alerts right on your phone. That said, it's not without a few small flaws. The top opening is quite tall, which might be tricky for shorter users. And the digital display, while bright and easy to use, can feel a bit busy with so many settings. Still, with its removable agitator, excellent stain-fighting features, and overall versatility, The WT8127LC is one of Whirlpool's most thoughtful designs in years. Number 3. Maytag Pet Pro MVW6500MBK. If you've got pets, you know how hard it is to get rid of fur in the laundry. That's where the Maytag Pet Pro comes in, and honestly, it's a game changer for pet owners. This washer is designed with a built-in Pet Pro filter that actively captures and removes pet hair during the wash cycle. It's a small component with a huge impact, especially if you're tired of pulling lint out of the dryer every time you wash your dog's blanket. The drum capacity is 4.7 QFT, slightly smaller than the previous 2 washers, but still plenty for most households. The washer also includes a deep fill option, extra rinse cycles, and a built-in faucet, making it easy to rinse out muddy paw prints or food stains before starting the full cycle. The control panel is intuitive and clearly labeled. You've got cycles tailored for heavy-duty items, quick washes, and even a specific Pet Pro cycle that focuses on fur and dander. And just like the others, it connects to the Maytag app for remote access and notifications. It's a powerful washer that gets the job done. The motor is strong, the spin cycle effective, and it's built to last. One downside is the noise. It runs a bit louder than others on this list, especially when using the deep water settings. But honestly, that's a small trade-off for pet-friendly performance. If you're a dog owner, cat parent, or just someone who's constantly cleaning up fur, the Maytag Pet Pro might be the most practical investment you'll make this year. Number 2, LG WT7900HBA. Coming in strong at number 2 is the LG WT7900HBA. This washer is all about combining advanced cleaning with thoughtful design, and LG definitely delivered. With an impressive 5.5 cubic feet of capacity, this washer is made for big families or anyone who wants to get through mountains of laundry in fewer loads. It's perfect for bulky bedding, towels, or just a week's worth of clothes all at once. The machine uses LG's TurboWash 3D technology, which provides a powerful yet gentle clean by using high-pressure jets and a multi-directional wash action. It reduces wash time significantly without sacrificing performance. If you hate waiting for long wash cycles, this is a huge win. What's also great is the allergen cycle, which uses steam to reduce common household allergens. This feature is a lifesaver for anyone with sensitivities or allergies. You get that deep, clean feel without using harsh chemicals. The smart functionality is impressive. It pairs with LG's ThinQ app, letting you control and monitor your washer remotely. You can get cycle status, notifications, and even run diagnostics all from your phone. It also supports voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant. One thing I love is how quiet this washer is. Even on high-speed spin cycles, it's surprisingly calm. And the build quality feels premium, with a sleek graphite steel finish and intuitive controls. The controls themselves are touch-sensitive and very easy to understand, which is always appreciated. On the downside, the price can be a bit steep for some buyers, and the top-load design may be a bit tall for shorter users. But if you want top-tier performance with smart tech and excellent cleaning power, the LG WT7900HBA is a top contender. And finally, my number 1 pick, Samsung Bespoke AI Laundry Combo. This machine takes everything we've talked about so far, capacity, intelligence, performance, and raises the bar. The Samsung Bespoke AI Combo is not just a washer, it's a washer-dryer combo, and it's smart. Really smart. First off, it has a massive 18.5 kilograms washing capacity and a 10 kg drying capacity. That's perfect for large households or anyone who wants true convenience in a single unit. And because it's a combo, you don't need to transfer clothes from washer to dryer. It does it all in one go. What really makes this machine stand out is its AI technology. It learns your laundry habits and suggests wash and dry cycles based on your past usage. The large 7-inch full-color touchscreen makes controlling the washer feel more like using a smartphone. You also get SmartThings integration, letting you start and monitor cycles remotely, get alerts, and even connect the machine to your smart home setup. And the energy efficiency is top tier. This is a heat pump combo, so it uses less electricity than traditional dryers. The build quality is fantastic. The exterior is customizable thanks to Samsung's bespoke panel system. You can match your laundry machine to your home aesthetic, something almost no other brand offers. The steam function works wonders on allergens and tough stains, and it includes a self-cleaning cycle to keep everything fresh and hygienic inside. It's loaded with features like AI wash, auto dispense, and hygiene steam, all working together to make laundry less of a chore. Now, it's not cheap. This is easily one of the most expensive units on the market right now. But if you're looking for the best of the best in convenience, intelligence, performance, and design, this is the one. And there you have it, the best 5 washing machines you can get your hands on this year. From rugged pet-friendly models to ultra-smart combos, we covered something for every type of home and lifestyle. Which one stood out to you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know what you're using or planning to get. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you never miss out on another deep dive review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.